Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your presentation and preparing the file. This gets you editing right away. Once open, make sure autosave is enabled if you store on OneDrive or SharePoint so work isn't lost. Next, set the correct slide size, 16, 9 for screens, 4, 3 for older projectors, because layout changes later force reflow. Now, check the theme and font so replacements don't shift. From here, you're ready to add and arrange slides. Start with structure, then refine content. You now move into detailed edits, text, images, and layout. Use Slide Master to apply consistent fonts and placeholders. This makes future edits faster. Insert images and charts from Insert, hold Shift while resizing to preserve proportions, and use picture corrections for quick fixes. For complex layouts, enable Guides and Grid, then use Arrange Align to snap items into place. This creates a neat, professional look. Once done, run spell check and read slides, allowed to verify flow and click. You finish by polishing transitions, rehearsing timings, and checking accessibility so everyone can follow. Once done, export your presentation as PDF for handouts or as an MP4 video if you need narrated playback. Make sure to embed fonts when saving if you'll use another computer. If something goes wrong, formatting shifts, or missing media, first revert to a previous version or copy slides into a fresh file. That often clears corruption. Finally, test the final file on the target laptop or projector to confirm it plays correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.